Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at Hertz filed for bankruptcy. They filed on Friday, which is crazy. Their balance sheet is insane. Their ticker symbol is HTZ. Alright, so let's get into it. So quick disclaimer for you guys. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for entertainment, inspiration, educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. I'm only sharing my opinion with no guarantees of gains or losses on investments. Please consult an appropriate advisor and do your own research before making any decisions on anything. I'm not responsible or liable for any actions you take. So, people, do your due diligence, do your research. All right. So let's get into it. So Hertz filed for bankruptcy protection after 100 years in the car rental business. That is just mind-boggling. They've been in business for 100 years. I'm like, wow, that is amazing. But also like sad because what comes with bankruptcy and the restructuring and the loss of employment and the rest of the stuff that goes on. You know. So basically, they filed for Chapter 11, which is a reorganization or restructuring of the company. So they need to work with their creditors, lenders, and third-party vendors, whatever it may be, to take care of any or work out deals or something that help Hertz like come out of this like in a better shape than they were originally at, or literally shutter their doors and just go officially just go out of business. But we'll see what happens. We'll wait and see what happens. But this bankruptcy makes like Hertz one of the most prominent U.S. companies to default in the veto of pandemic. They join J. Crew, Neiman Marcus, and J.C. Penney that declared bankruptcy in this past month alone, which is like, that's four. Who's next? How many more are coming? How many more jobs lost? How many more places shuttered? How many more loss of wages, loss of like crazy emotions going through people's heads, And like seeing it here in China, like some stores here are closed, some are limited operations, some are fully open. So I see it here and I see what's going on in the U.S. I'm like, it's about the same thing. And I know the U.S. is opening up their markets, they're ready to open up, get back to business, which is great. And I'm like, let's get to it. Let's get more power to America. Businesses get open because they're the backbone of America. All right. So also, they have the bankruptcy protection. Literally, like they have a 19 billion of debt, which is incredible. And also, their share prices just dropped down, about jumped to like $1.83, which is shocking. And they also had to lay off 10,000 staff, which is just it's really just like it's speechless because those people worked. This is unexpected. It's like Black Swan event. This should not like happen. This is just like what the. But yeah, it's crazy. And I know people need the job and working to provide for their families, and hope to get the unemployment check, the PP protection, or maybe. But let's get into it more real quick. And also, guys, Hertz is the second largest rental company in the United States. They have a fleet of 770,000 vehicles. But the catch is they don't own all these cars. They lease them through subsidiaries such as like Wells Fargo Finance, Bank of America, Citi's, GM Finance, Ford Finance, Hyundai Finance, Toyota, Mercedes, whatever. Because they finance them through their third-party entities like those companies, like I said previously. All right. And also, guys, Hertz also proposed of selling more than 30,000 cars a month through the end of the year in an effort to raise $5 billion. This is a proposal. If they flood the used car market, I mean, prices will plummet across the board, and you'll see more businesses going out of business because the used car prices are just like, wow. So if you look at the Hertz website, like you're not gonna see like from a $10,000 car go to a $5,000 car because that's not gonna happen. Like you might see like maybe $500 off, $1,000 off, or whatever maybe, or whatever their promotion or whatever they're gonna offer to like people that are gonna buy cars if they can have the money to buy a car, because right now these times are uncertain because like what 35 million plus are unemployed in the United States, and like wow, just yeah. So if this does happen, if they do propose this, and if they go through with it, I mean the used car market will just be demolished because they have so many cars. It's just insane. Even Avis will just take a hit, and a bunch of other smaller companies as well. So let's keep an eye out for that. But just a proposal, like I said, just a proposal. Also, guys, smash that like button and subscribe, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys are learning something new from this. Let's get into it real quick. So, also, Hertz. It's, if you look at their balance sheet, it's very complex. They have 14 billion of securitized debt, which is like, oh my god, that's like, what are you guys doing in the company? And they literally changed CEO. There was a previous CEO that just was just the management was just not doing a great job, and they have a new CEO that's guiding through. That will hopefully get Hertz through like from point A to point Z, and hopefully keep them in business and see what happens there. We'll see what happens there. And also, like by the end of March, like this, literally like a couple weeks ago, Hertz Holding racked up 18.7 billion in debt and they only had 1 billion in cash. That just alone tells you like this company is in dire straits, and they really need to restructure, reorganize, and get rid of management, or cut, pay for management, sell cars or sell their facilities or whatever it may be. But they need to, you know, get out of this for the betterment of the company to exist in the future and not to die in the present. So, and also too, a quick note for you guys: investors in late March, by Jefferies analyst Hamaz Mazari, predicted that rival Avis will survive the coronavirus crisis, but Hertz only had a 50-50 chance, given it's slower to cut costs. Like literally, Avis took the initiatives. Like, okay, we need to do this before we are what's happening to Hertz right now. So Avis took like more drastic steps earlier than Hertz. Hertz said, "Oh, you know, we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that," and now they're feeling the literally like they're calling. It's like, "Hey, buddy, when are you gonna pay us, huh? When are you gonna pay us? When are you give us that money, though?" So that's what's going on there. So, and what will happen? Possibilities. Like I said, two things. Hertz needs to work with its creditors, lenders, and vendors to pay them off or to get accommodations or subsidies or something to help them out. And or even the stock might get delisted from NASDAQ. Hertz just sell its whole entire car fleet. And at the end, we just wait and see what happens. But I want to show you guys quick the stock. So here's Hertz, right? So we're like about 3 months out before the little crisis. So as you see, February it's above, you know, oh no, let's go back a year. So a year, right? It's above $10. It's about $10 December. Now we're in January, above 10, above 15, and then we just hit it here, just demolished it by $3. It's the lowest on March 23rd, and as of right now, it's just dipped down a lot lower, and it's on its low, and it closed like 183 right now. It's literally like it's at an 88.04% like down, which is like wow, and I just like what the So I would say if you're gonna have this stock, it's gonna be this company's being devastated by its debt. Literally, its debt is just killing this company slowly. So also, guys, if you guys do want a free stock, I have the links below. You can sign up with WeBull and you get one free stock when you deposit $100 to get a second free stock. So that's 2 free stocks. I guess that's free cash in your pocket. And if you sign up with Robinhood, you get a free stock too as well. And I'll open up the stock on my dividend update. But feel free. That's 3 free stocks. It's actually money in your pocket. It's free. And if you don't want to use it, then you don't have to use it. But anyways, if you already have it, good for you. More power to you. But you guys, thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe and like, and I will see you guys next time. Be safe, be happy, and happy investing across the board. Peace.